Now here is another example. Example 2, which says find the sum of the GP. 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 54 plus to the last term, which is plus 1458. Now we are asked to find the sum of this geometric series. So what do we do? Now if you check this series very well, you will discover that we don't really know the number of 10. We don't know the number of 10 because there is a space. This space you have here shows that there are numbers in between this 54 and 1458. So because of that, we don't really know the number of 10. So which means that before we can find the number of 10s, before we can find the sum of this geometric series, we have to know the number of 10s. Meanwhile, we know the common ratio. Common ratio is, if I take the second number divided by the previous one, 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. So the common ratio is 3. The first term is 2. So n is what we don't know. So we will look for n. And we are going to use, to get the number of 10, we will use the normal geometric progression, which says un equals to a arrow n minus 1. We all know this. The last term is given, which means our un is 1458. So therefore 1458 is equal to, the first term is 2 times, the common ratio is 3 raised to power n minus 1. So we are going to look for n. So what do we do next? We make 3 raised to power n minus 1 the subject. Therefore 3 raised to power n minus 1 will give me 1458 divided by 2, which will give me 729. Therefore 3 raised to power n minus 1 is equals to 729. Therefore 3 raised to power n minus 1 will give me, so what we do now is to also write this 729 to the base of 3 so that they will have the same base. 729 is equals to 3 raised to power 6. Now we have an expression where both sides of the equation have the same base. So having known that, we will now equate the indices. So therefore n minus 1 is equals to 6. Therefore n is equals to 6, taking this minus 1 here, crossing the sign of equality becomes plus 1, which is equals to 7. So the number of 10 is equals to 7. So having known that the number of 10 here in this GP is equals to 7, now we can now go ahead to look for the sum of this geometric progression. Looking for the sum, we use this. Now that we know that the number of 10 is 7, we say x7 is equals to a into arrow n minus 1 all over arrow minus 1. So we put all the parameters. S7 is equals to, here a is 6, arrow is 3, so we just put them a, which is 6, bracket arrow, which is 3, arrow raised to power n. N is equals to 7. Arrow raised to power 3 raised to power 7 minus 1 all over arrow is equals to 3. 3 minus 1. S7 equals to, right now, A is equals to 2. So 2 to bracket 3 raised to power 7 will give me 2187. Then minus 1 all over 3 minus 1 will give me 2. Therefore, x7 equals to 2187 minus 1 will give me 2186 divided by 2. S7 equals to 2 times 2186 will give me 4372 using your calculator. Therefore, S7 is equals to 4372 divided by 2, 2186. So, now we know that the sum of this GP is what? 2186.